Hello friends, welcome back to Investor Katta. Anybody who has purchased a property or is planning to purchase a property has definitely heard about a term called clear title property. What is exactly clear title property and what are the ways through which we can find out if a property is clear title or not? In this video, I am going to answer all such questions. Before we start though, if you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing to get notified whenever we upload a new investment related video. So let's get started. Clear title property is a property which is free of any liens, encumbrances and disputes. A property which is not clear title has one or more of these clouds on the property. Now let's look at each of these in detail. Number 1. Claim or disputes on property. There can be disputes regarding the ownership of the property. For example, a legal heir of the previous owner may claim that the current owner from whom the property is being purchased only has a part ownership and that he too has a partial claim to the ownership of the property. There can also be disputes about property whose cases are pending in the court for judgment. Number 2. Liens. Liens are financial liabilities associated with the ownership of the property. They can include missed mortgage payments, unpaid loans, overdue municipal taxes, etc. There can also be municipal liens such as completion certificate or occupancy certificate not being issued due to deficiencies in construction. There can also be mechanical liens such as non-payment of repair or maintenance charges. Number 3. Encumbrances. There can be some other encumbrances on the property. For example, you may have to give right of way to another property owner through your property. Power, water and other utility companies may have right to use certain portion of your property to lay their cables and pipelines, etc. Now, how do you identify whether a property is a clear title property or not? For that, you need to do a title search. You can do it either on your own or through a real estate attorney. A thorough title search can verify that there are no disputes, liabilities, or claims on property. It can also highlight any errors in previous deeds, such as gift deed or sales deed. It can also identify potential forging in property documents. Now, when a real estate attorney performs title search, he produces a document called abstract of title. If you are performing title search on your own, you should know what is the information available in abstract of title. You should obtain complete chain of title documents. This is essentially history of ownership of the property which may contain sale deeds, conveyance deeds, wills or gift deeds. The change of property may also happen in the form of foreclosure in case of non-repayment of mortgage. You should obtain NOC from the bank in a case there is a mortgage on the property. Certain states and jurisdictions issue no encumbrances certificate. This certificate should be obtained during the title search. You should also obtain copy of any previous judgment on the property and information about any pending judgment. You should also check all previous property tax and maintenance receipts to ensure they are fully paid. You should also obtain NOC issued by Residents Welfare Association confirming no dues. After obtaining all documents, you should verify these documents through relevant authority. For example, you can verify land records through local tehsil office. You can verify all deeds records through local registrar's office. You can verify that there are no visible deficiencies through local municipal corporation office. You can also verify through Resident Welfare Association that there are no dues. Certain deficiencies are easy to address. For example, if there are any municipal deficiencies due to minor construction issue, it can be fixed and the deficiency can be resolved. If there are any deficiencies due to non-payment of dues, it can be resolved by paying the dues. If there are any minor deficiencies in property documents, it can be fixed by real estate attorney. However, according to me, it is best to stay away from properties with potential legal disputes. Now, even after detailed title search, it is possible that you might miss out on some deficiencies. To handle this situation, you can take a title insurance in some cases. This ensures the property against any title defect or invalidity or unenforceability of mortgage loans. Another way to protect yourself is to ask seller to sign on an affidavit claiming that he is absolute owner of the property and there are no security, charges, liabilities or any form of lien or encumbrances on the property. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and share the video with your friends and family. Also, do leave your comments, feedback and suggestions on next videos in the comment section below. Thank you.